做一位美丽的姑娘，人间星焰灿烂。
Mom and Dad are very pleased. With a prestigious university degree and a job at a prestigious organization, their first daughter now lives in the nation's capital. My life would be so much better than theirs in the polluted industrial city of Fushun. As soon as I got into university, their policy on dating changed from strictly prohibited to strongly encouraged. Mom tried several times, in vain, to set me up with friends' boys or friends' boys. But boys are not my top priority. I will want a boy, the best boy. But there is no rush in finding him, and he's not ready to show up yet. Haven't you always encouraged me to fly high and see the world, Mom? I have bigger, better things to do now. Boys can wait.
I left my heart in San Francisco, high on a hill. It calls to me to be where little cable cars climb halfway to the stars. The morning fog may chill the air. I don't care, my love waits there. In San Francisco, above the blue and windy sea, when I come home to you, San Francisco.
The new millennium arrived during my most glorious years. I have by now acquired a graduate degree from one of the world's finest institutions and have accumulated some highly recognizable names on my resume. My family is very proud of me. We traveled to see the world together, fulfilling one of my childhood dreams. My life seems all set for success, and I'm increasingly focused on love. I've had boyfriends, if you can consider having someone living thousands of miles away as having a boyfriend. I did, and I was proud of it. I thought I found the love of my life. My conviction in love carries me on. Love leads the way. Everything else should follow.
Yeah, like most kids at that age, just out of high school, having spent my entire life in the same small town, I just wanted out. I wanted change. I wanted to do something, to be something. I wanted to see the world. So I did. First stop, Florida. I originally chose Florida not because UCF had a pretty decent engineering program and a new research park, but because Disney had a pretty decent engineering program and a new theme park.
If I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me? I must be traveling on now, 'cause there's too many places I've got to see. If I stay here with you, girl, well, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you'll never change. Play it pretty for Atlanta.
Fortunately, while I was goofing off, trying to discover the wonders of the world, my more sensible siblings were discovering the wonders of matrimony and the even greater wonders of